Yeah, dogs are barking, but yeah, I'll get to that in a minute. I lost my gas cap. We got a little online hack here I'm going to try out today. But what I'm out here doing today is showing you guys a little bit of something here. You can kind of see where it delaminated right there. It's like the glue is gone, you know? And you can see where it tore off right here, from there to there. But if you look at the overall quality of the belt wear, it's pretty good for how, you know, messed up it is. You can kind of see a crack spot right here. You see it cracked right there? Right about there. Little tear mark. So this is just dry rotted. Every little valley here has a crack in it all the way around. It's just dry rotted from the heat of the desert, but it broke on me. And glad it did, because what I needed to do was jack up this guy, okay, remove the sway bar links, end links, which as you can see are gone, and so is the sway bar. I removed the sway bar completely so that it makes the belt more trail friendly when I get a blown belt. So yeah, that's what's happened. I have actually discovered the wonders of not having a sway bar. Yeah, you can't go fast around corners and whatnot, like if you're racing, but you know, I'm not doing that at all. So yeah, that's what's going on with that. I had to take the sway bar off. I had to remove this wheel and that shock at the end and let that hang while I took the sway bar out. Put it all back together again and was able to put everything back as you see right there. So it's a lot easier to service this thing on the road, which I'll leave it like this. Now the back's gone. The front, I still have the sway bar on but disconnected, as you can see right here. And I could have done that in the rear, but I just wanted to get rid of it completely. I'm not going to put this back on either. I'm going to remove this here when I have the willpower to get under here and disconnect it, which is not too difficult. But this is coming off. The rear's off. I gained a lot more ground clearance front and rear now. This is how it's going to be for a while. Now, because of all that, I'm also looking to invest in a new set of tires. And that's 29 by 9 and 29 by 11 on 14-inch rims. I'm probably going to a 30-inch tire in a square setup, even though the rims are different sizes front to rear. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to go square setup and put a spacer on the front if needed. Wheel spacer on the front to clear the suspension. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to be doing. Or keep it just like this, but you know, new tires. The Duro Frontiers, the GBC Mongrel, the BF Goodrich KM3s, and the Tusk Terabyte. And right now it looks like the Tusk Terabyte might be the one to go with. Hopefully that'll happen soon. The problem here is I lost my gas cap at the gas station. Went back to see if I could find it. Nowhere in sight. Lost and found, nothing. So there's a hack to this. I have one on order, but it's going to take a couple weeks to get here. But Napa seems to have, you know, a temporary fix for now, and I'm going to go try that out today. But here's the part number of the Napa one I'm going to go try out, and if this works, great. If not, then, well, I guess I sent everyone down the wrong path. But this is a little add-on, little bonus thing. We'll see how that goes today. And just like that, thank you, Napa, got the part. Yeah, they had it in stock, so this is, you know, I'm in a pinch. I'm looking for any kind of helpful solution to this. And there she blows. Just a regular gas cap, plastic, and it's vented. Looks just like the one that came off the CFMOTO. A little O-ring, everything. Looks about right. So if you're in a pinch, this definitely would be the way to go. If it works. Now, do these threads match up? Oh, my gosh. There she blows. Oh my goodness. That's on there. And you can feel it, the O-ring sealing. So yeah, thumbs up. That's about it for the update. Eminence front X5 and Larry Word out. There's a dog barking over there.